Rule for simplifying three variables Boolean functions. The first one, for each term of the function, place 1 in the corresponding cell. Make group of 4 if possible, otherwise group of 2. Means when we have the three variables, you can make a group of 2s or 4s. Group can only contain ones, means we have make the groups which the value is 1. Next one is group may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonals. Clear? Group can overlap. Group can overlap and wrap around the side of the K-map. Clear? If possible, include each one in at least one group. Eliminate the variables that is normal or complement from in the group. Write the simplified functions in the form of sum of variables that were not eliminated in the group. If a K-map contains two ones in a diagonal cells, then a group can't be formed, which means the functions cannot be simplified. ठीक है? Look, suppose it's a round form. Clear? When we have open it, it look like this. First we will write it A complement A, B complement B, B complement, clear, simple B and simple B, clear. Now look down, C complement C, C and C complement. Okay, when we have the three variables, you can make a map like this. Okay, now we will add the values A complement, right, B complement and then C complement. Look, okay, and then the next one A complement, B complement and simple C. The next one A complement, B and C, then A complement, B and C complement. Clear? Okay, next A, B complement and C complement. Then A, B complement C, A, B, C, then A, B and C complement. This one is a very easy to write the values in the map. Clear? Okay. Now, according to the equations, we will add the values. First one is A, B complement and C. Where is A? This one. Put the value of 1. Okay. Then A complement BC, this one, put the value is 1. Then A, BC complement, put the value is 1 here. So 1, 1 and this one. And A complement B and C complement this one. Last two and first two में 1 है. Clear? Okay. Now to make the group, this one is the one group and this one is the second group. We're not allowed to make group like diagonals. हमने ऐसे group नहीं बनाना. Got it? You make a group only horizontal या vertical. In the rest of places, you can add the zeros. Clear? Add the zeros. Okay. After that, we will, this one the one group and this one is the second group. Okay. Now we will take the values of this group, first group, and simplify it. The first one is A. A complement B, A, B complement and C. No. Yeah. A complement, B and C, and A, B, C complement. These two values make a single group. Look, this one. These two values make a this B, C and B. Clear? BC complement, these two. These two make a one group, this one, and these two make another group, right? Okay, now look the gate 1 and gate 3. Gate 1 and gate 3 make a one group. Gate 2 and gate 4 make a two group. Clear? Okay, now simplifying it. Equations, according to equations, gate 1 and gate 3. Tell me the common between these two gates. A and B complement. A and B complement is a common. C and C complement is not a common. Clear? So A and B complement take outside. When we have the three variables, then we will take two common. Clear? When we have three variables, we will take two common. Look, AB complement, C is different. AB is common, but C complement is different. So AB complement take a common, and inside the brackets write C complement plus C. At the value of C complement is 1, understood is C is 0, and then add it.
बात सुने
जी
मैम मैम
अभी
एक बार दोबारा समझा दें
कौन सा?
ये कॉमन वाला ये वाला
when
जो
we have the three values, ठीक है, we will take two common. Okay, this gate, first one and third one, this make a group. अभी हमने पीछे देखा. Clear? First and third के साथ एक ग्रुप बन रहा, second and fourth के साथ second group बन रहा. Clear? Okay, look at the first gate and third gate and identify the common. Tell me, tell me, which thing is the common? A and B complement? C is not common, beta. क्योंकि यहाँ पर C different है और यहाँ का C different है. Actually अभी slides में होना, ये सामने होना ज़्यादा easy होता. A and B complement. A and B complement is common. Clear? C is different because here C is 1 and here C is complement 0. ठीक है? So we will take the common, AB common, take the common, C complement plus C. Suppose C complement is 1 and C is 0, then add it 1 and this one. A complement is equal. And go move to group 2. And group 2 is contain the gates second and fourth. Okay, according to this is in which A complement B is common. यहाँ भी A complement था, skip हो गया. A complement and B is common. A and C in both की यहाँ पे लाइनें थी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे गलती से मैं डाली, मुझसे मिस हो गई है. A complement and B is common. C is different. ठीक है, because here is C, A complement and C complement. A complement B is common in both equations. To take out A complement and B plus C complement plus C, add 1 plus 0, 1 and simple F is equal to A complement B. Clear? Through these procedures, you can simplify the equations. F is equal to A complement B plus A B complement. Got it? Okay, note down in your copies. I'm moving to back. Look, this is the first step.